you will see that a 20% discount is already applied. The link is in the video description. First of all, click the link. After clicking the link, you will land on the Hostinger dashboard. At the top, you will see the services option. Click on it. Then you will see cloud hosting option. Click on cloud hosting. After that, click on claim deal button. Now you will see different cloud hosting plans. These plans may be different depending on your country. You will see three main plans: startup, professional, and enterprise. Choose the plan according to your needs and click on choose plan. Next, you need to select the duration. I personally recommend buying hosting for at least 12 months. But if you have the budget, you can buy it for a longer period. After that, go to the search box and search for your free domain name. Choose a unique name. Then select the domain. After selecting it, you will see that a 20% discount is already applied because you are buying through my link. Now click on continue, enter your email address, set a password, and click on register account. Then enter your basic details from the payment, and after that you will be redirected to the Hostinger dashboard. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any question, ask me in the comment section.